I just love my hair. I do. It's beautiful. It flows. It's everything I thought it was going to be. Turn around.
Oh my God.
Andrea, you're the best.
Oh, you're funny. Oh, that's pretty.
It is. I call this my Kim Kardashian, but it's Holly Kardashian look. Andrea, 6/4, 1995. Is that right?
Yep.
Let your soul glow and let my hair flow. I'm not trying to get a music deal. I'm just trying to get nail client. I had to throw that prop.
Okay, go ahead. She does some awesome work, you guys. All right, Miss Holly, thank you.
You're welcome.